and welcome to Board Game Nation Presents. My name is Elizabeth, and I'm the Young Adult Program Librarian at the Spring Branch Memorial Library. And today we're going to talk about the game Ticket to Ride London. So we've played the original Ticket to Ride at the library, and the kids love it. We just got this brand new version that doesn't take nearly as long to play. Ticket to Ride London is for 2 to 4 players, and it takes 10 to 15 minutes to play. So after you watch this video, you'll know how to play Ticket to Ride London when you come to the library. Board Game Nation at the Spring Branch Memorial Library is on Fridays. Come and go from 4 to 5:30 p.m. for ages 9 and up, and I hope to see you there soon. In Ticket to Ride London, the goal of the game is to score the most points. You score points by doing things like laying down double-decker buses to complete bus routes. To start the game, each person chooses what color they would like to be. Place the player markers before the one on the board on the points marker that runs along the edges of the board to help you keep score. Each person gets the double-decker buses for the color that they chose, and then you take the transportation cards, which are ones with the British flag on the back, and the cars on the other side, and you're going to shuffle these together, and every player is going to start with 2 of these cards. Place the remaining transportation cards somewhere near the board and flip the top 5 cards from this deck face up. Next, take the destination tickets, the one that say tickets on the back and have little lines and routes on them on the other side, and shuffle them. Each player is going to get 2 of these tickets. Place the rest of the tickets somewhere near the board. Each player can then secretly look at their ticket card and decide which ones they want to keep. You have to keep at least one of these. Whatever card you keep, you have to complete that route on the board somehow in order to get the points shown on the card. If you don't complete that route, then you don't get the points. For any card that you decide you don't want, put it face down at the bottom of the ticket deck. Now it's time to play. Start with the youngest player and then go clockwise around. On your turn, you do one action. For your one action, you can choose from 3 different things. You can claim transportation cards, you can claim a route on the board, or you can draw destination tickets. One of the actions you can do is to draw transportation cards. When you draw transportation cards, you draw 2 cards, either from the deck and keep them secret, or from the 5 laying down. If you draw from the 5 that are laying down here, you have to replace it from the top of the deck. Cards have all different colors. These colors match the routes that you build on the board, so you want to collect multiples of a color to build a route. The exception is the multicolored bus. This bus can be any color you want it to be. If you draw the multicolored bus as your first card, you cannot take another card on your turn. Another action you can do on your turn is to claim an open route. A route is the line between 2 locations. You can only claim one of the routes if it's a route with 2 side-by-side lines. To claim a route, you have to discard the number of cards equal to the number of spaces in that route. For a colored route, the color of your cards must match the color of the route. Remember, a multicolored bus can be any color you want it to be. For a gray route, you can choose any color you want for the cards, but all the cards you discard must be the same color that you chose. When you claim a route, you put your buses in those spaces, and then you give yourself points. The points are shown here on the board. So a route with 1 space would give you 1 point. A route with 2 spaces would give you 2 points. A route with 3 spaces would give you 4 points. And a route with 4 spaces would give you 7 points. So my route with 4 spaces would give me 7 points that I would mark on the board. The other action you can do is to draw destination tickets. Just like at the beginning of the game, you draw 2 tickets and then you decide which ones you want to keep. The game ends when somebody has 2 or fewer plastic buses left to lay down. When that happens, everyone takes one last turn and then you calculate the scores. You should already have points for the routes that you claimed during the game. Now you would reveal your destination tickets, and if you completed your route, you would get the points on the card. If you didn't, then you lose those points. You also get points by completing districts. To complete a district, you link each location in that district, shown by the colored dots with numbers, to each other location in that district. When you do that, you get the number of points in the dot. So if you connect all of District 2, you get 2 points. Add all of those points, and the player with the most points wins. If 2 players tie, then the player with the most completed destination tickets wins. Thanks for joining us for Board Game Nation Presents, where we learn how to play Ticket to Ride London. We hope to see you soon at Board Game Nation at the Spring Branch Memorial Library on Fridays at 4. Thank you so much and have a great day.